In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to trade ES1 on Tradelocker. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Tradelocker program or open up Tradelocker inside of your favorite browser. Once from here, it should be looking something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go over to the right hand side or the left hand side and go over to panels. And then from here, you'll need to click market panel like so. Once from here, this page should be popping up. And here you'll be able to go up and search for the instrument where I can search for ES1 like so. As you can see, ES1 will be located inside of here, but because ES1 is closed as of I created this video, it will not be visible. So you'll simply need to just find ES1 and then click on it like so, and then you'll be able to see the chart from it. And to place an order or trade with it, you'll simply need to click down here and place how many lots you want to purchase and then click buy. Once from here, you can also click one-click trading, but click confirm like so. And as you can see, position open for this specific stock right here, which could be ES1. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!